If you're seeing Epic Games Error 500, don't worry. In most cases, this is a temporary issue, and in this video I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into the Epic Games Launcher as quickly as possible. We'll check whether the problem is on Epic's side, restart the launcher the right way, and clear out anything that may be blocking your connection. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to the official Epic Games server status page. This is the very first thing you should check, because Error 500 can sometimes happen when Epic's servers are having trouble on their end rather than on your computer. Once the page loads, look closely at the status bars for Epic Games Store, Login, and Downloads. If you see a red or yellow degradation notice, that usually means there's an active issue affecting users. In that case, the best fix may simply be to wait a few minutes or even a few hours while Epic's backend team deploys a hotfix and restores normal service. If the status page looks normal, the next step is to completely close the launcher. Go to the bottom right corner of your Windows taskbar and find the Epic Games Launcher icon in the system tray. Right-click it and choose Exit. This is important because closing the window alone does not always fully stop the app in the background. We want a clean restart to force the launcher to rebuild its connection. Now press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC at the same time to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager appears, scan through the list of running apps and background processes. Look for any active Epic Games Launcher tasks, and also check for EpicWebHelper processes. These can sometimes stay running even after you exit the launcher. Right-click each Epic-related task and click End Task. This clears out stuck processes that may be causing the 500 error. After that, reopen the Epic Games Launcher. This refreshes your connection ticket and gives the launcher a clean chance to reconnect to Epic services. In many cases, that alone is enough to fix the issue, especially if the error was caused by a temporary session problem or a background process that didn't shut down properly. If you still see the error, turn off any VPNs you have running. VPNs can sometimes interfere with Epic's authentication and server communication, especially if the launcher detects a location mismatch or a blocked route. So, if you're using a VPN, disconnect it completely, then try opening the launcher again. If needed, also disable any proxy tools or network filters that could be affecting your connection. At this point, you should have covered the most common causes of Epic Games Error 500: server-side issues, stuck launcher processes, and connection conflicts. If you're still having trouble after this, the next thing to try would be checking your internet connection, restarting your PC, or temporarily changing your DNS settings. If this video helped you fix the error, please give it a like so more people can find it, and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.